Hey lovies, welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty original Swahili pilau. So basically how our grandmother used to make pilau, they used to reheat the spices for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Once ready, you're going to grind them. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic paste, cumin and some cardamom. Grind them until it becomes super smooth. Then it's high time to make our pilau. So let's begin to make this chicken pilau. You're going to place a pot on a medium heat, add some oil and onions and cook the onions until golden brown. Once golden brown, you're going to add chicken. I've used 3 pieces of chicken. Add some salt to taste with the cumin paste and other spices. Mix. Then you're going to pour some water, squeeze a lemon or lime and a teaspoon of curry powder. Mix everything well and let the chicken to cook until it becomes soft. Once the water is less and the chicken is soft, add potatoes. I've used 1 large potato. You can add potatoes, that's up to you. Then pour 2 cups and a half of water and cover and let the water to boil. Once the water starts to boil, then you're going to add your basmati rice or any rice that you like. I've used 1.5 cup. Make sure you clean your rice. Stir everything well and reduce the heat and let the pilau to cook on a medium heat until the water is completely dry and the pilau is nicely cooked. Oh yes, our chicken pilau is ready. Reduce the heat on a low temperature and let the pilau to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. To avoid the rice from splitting, I prefer flipping the spoon on the narrow side like so, and make sure the heat at this point is so low. Finally, our chicken pilau is ready. Like this pilau, boom, it turned out so amazing and it was super delicious, and I served with this mango chili. And don't forget, of course, to add banana, because the Swahili way you have to eat pilau with banana. Please kindly don't forget to subscribe and to follow me on all my social media platforms. Like and share. I use Ricky Alautia or Ricky's Kitchen, and see you next time. Doo-doo.